Rob Gronkowski is investing his money in a horse of a different color, but one of the same name, and together the pair will take on Churchill Downs on May 5th. Gronk the person acquired a minority stake in a 3-year-old colt named, yes, Gronkowski, slated to run in the Kentucky Derby. Horse Gronk was bought by Phoenix Thoroughbreds and, according to USA Today, given its name due to its tank-like build, the equine form of Gronk. Human Gronk, this is getting confusing, has been known to attend the Kentucky Derby along with his teammates, including Tom Brady. He told the Wall Street Journal, "It will be a new experience. Hopefully it will be something I like. I like new hobbies. Hopefully I can get a ride on the horse."